Hey there Jeep Wrangler owners, are you looking to upgrade your headlights for better visibility and a sleek new look? Well, look no further than the ORACLE Lighting Oculus 7 BI-LED Projector Headlights for 2007-2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. These headlights are designed to provide enhanced visibility in all weather conditions with their advanced LED projection and 5,200 lumens of high-quality illumination. The precision LED projector ensures optimum light distribution and beam angle, giving you the best possible visibility on and off the road. One of the best features of these headlights is the Halo DRL, which features over 200 bright white LEDs for a vivid lighting impact. This not only looks amazing, but also enhances your visibility and safety on the road. The installation is a breeze, using original mounting hardware and headlight wiring that is plug-play into the factory connector. No additional relays or harnesses needed. And with the original factory beam angle adjustability, you can ensure proper light focus on lifted Jeeps. One of the most important aspects of these headlights is their thermal management tools, which help to maintain low LED temperatures and ensure the longevity of the LEDs. This is crucial for high-performance LEDs to operate reliably in various environments. So, if you're ready to take your Jeep Wrangler to the next level with improved visibility and a sleek new look, then head to the link in the description to purchase the ORACLE Lighting Oculus 7 BI-LED Projector Headlights for 2007-2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. Don't miss out on this game-changing upgrade for your ride.